how to transfer money from Chase to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Chime application, and after that at the bottom you will be able to find the option of move money. Just simply select it, and after that you will be able to find the option of transfer from other banks. Just select it. Then on the next page you will be able to find the option of linking your external account. Just select this particular option so we can connect our Chase account with Chime. So just click on continue. After that, just simply select Chase. In case if you are not able to see the Chase option over here, just simply search for it, and after that you will be able to find it. Then it will ask you to enter your credentials for the Chase. Just enter your user ID and password in order to continue ahead. After that, it will ask you to provide your identity in order to verify it. Just verify your identity using your email address or using your mobile phone number. After that, you will be able to find your Chase account will be listed over here. Just simply select any appropriate account, like whether you want your checking account or savings account to be linked with Chime. Just simply select it and click on continue. After that, it will be linked, and this is how you do it. Then just simply click on continue. After that, it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions, and for that just simply confirm it, and this way the linking of Chase and Chime will be completed. Now on the next screen you will have to select the Chase as the sender, which is basically the from option, and after that select Chime as the recipient. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. After that, just simply click on transfer, and then it will ask you to confirm your transfer. Just check all your details whether they are correct or not, and just simply accept this particular transfer and confirm it. After that, you will be able to transfer money from Chase to Chime, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.